everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel English by Preeti Bhardwaj. In this video, we will cover the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan written by the poet Maud Rubin. This poem is taken from your textbook Honeycomb. So now let us have a look at the text and explanation of the poem. So the poem goes like, once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. I could not quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Okay, so this is the poem written by the poet Maud Rubin. Here let us discuss about a few of the new words first. Now first word which we have is chatter. Chatter here means talk, and specifically if I have to talk about this word, then chatter means meaningless talk. Okay, then the other word is whirling. Whirling motor has been used. Then out of this, the word whirling means that is continuously moving, continuously spinning, rotating. Okay, so now let us go for the explanation of the poem. Now, the poet here is trying to tell us that once there was a ceiling fan, once there was a fan at his place, and this fan has been referred to as talking fan here. Okay, now why the poet has referred to that as talking fan? Because that fan was producing some sort of noise. Okay, so electrical his chatter, and his chatter means the talk, whatever the message that fan was trying to convey was electrical. It means that the fan works on electricity. Okay, and chatter means the meaningless talk. So whatever the meaningless talk this fan was giving or was doing was all because of the electricity. Okay, I could not quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter. Now next the poet said that the poet was not able to understand, she was not able to hear that what the fan was trying to say, and further she says that it doesn't even matter to her, okay, that what the fan was trying to explain. Further she says, because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor. Now, why it doesn't matter to the poet that what the fan was trying to say? Because one day what happened was that somebody came and put the oil inside the whirling motor of the fan, as in the continuously spinning, rotating motor of the fan on which it works. Okay, and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. And because somebody oiled its whirling motor, the mystery, that is the secret that was there behind that electrical chatter, it got spoiled. Okay, so this mystery was solved, the secret was solved, and since then this fan started running as still as water, as in it stopped creating any sort of noise. So that's all about a very short poem, Mystery of the Talking Fan, written by Maud Rubin. If this video has helped you in understanding this poem better, then please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. In the comment section down below, let me know which topic or chapter you want me to cover next, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.